Time check! Sawadi katukon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone!
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kateki.
Thank you.
Ang ganda ng sunrise dive. Paksan ka dyan. Gising na kayo dyan. Gising na, gising. Ah, grabe. Ah, bet ko talaga pag sunrise. Ay, 안녕하세요. 저는 오뎃입니다. 오하요 고자이마스. Make-up time! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Good morning, Teacher Nangtan. Ohayo gozaimasu. Okay. What flies higher than a bird?
Up and
Use it to look at the time.
a cock.
What is the biggest animal?
Elephant.
30 ka na. 30 points. Good morning, Teacher Ming! Jiao San Hao Ni Hao! And I'm done with my makeup. Good morning, Teacher Ohayo gozaimasu. Bon appetit! Cheers! Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Bang. Again, please. 54. Boom. 34. Poo. 59. Clap your hands to Poo. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning. Please sit down. You're welcome. Give me your score. Crush. 21. Tonbon. Champ. This one, Tonbon. Champ. 26. Mawin. Clap your hands to Mawin. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. All right, let's take attendance. Please sit properly. When I call your name, do not say here or present. Instead, I want you to say the name of your crush. Idol is okay. Pum pa rin. Ha? Jinapat? Jinapat? Who's Jinapat? Ah? Sino? Oh, Pirapat. Ha? Ha? Pa rin. Peng Nachapon. Ha? Surirat? Who's Surirat? Ah, teacher Surirat. Met Puramit. Ah. Natapon. Kiyo Nakarin. Sai Cảm Ơn. Ah, girlfriend. Ning Pramod. Who's Pramod? Teacher Pramod? I will tell Teacher Pramod. Teacher Pramod. Not Nachapong. Hơi mày đây. Áo mày. Note. One. Beer. Nachapon. One. Bright. Nachapong. Ton. Wisadu. 9. Absent. Pai. Meow. Who's meow? Girlfriend. Bomb. Champ. Unseen. Ing Kanukpit. Tani Sara. Who's Tani Sara? Oh. Bim. Chinorot. One. Mapra. Ha? Manisara. Kam. Kamaka. Jirapat. Prim Warrington. Ha? Frame Narrative. Juanida. Pink Juanida. Beam. Up Subabit. Teacher Pranom. Teacher Pranom. Lisa. Huh? I don't know her. Ruang Kao. Teacher Tanya. I don't know Teacher Tanya. Kaning. Nakanicha. Who's Nakanicha? Oh. Nakanicha, right? 29. Natanicha Bungki. Okay, Riau. Natapon. Ink. Sensi Matanin. Oh, Sensi. Kau. Wirawat. Who's Wirawat? Bongki. Ha? Chutikan? Kaning? Pakbong? Kawini? Who's Kawini? Oh. 9. Mapang. First. Binjarat? Who's Binjarat? Oh. August. O sama ni? Hongni? Hongdi? I will... Okay, give me the score. Pum pa rin. Ah? 35. Oat. 33. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. Cheers. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. What has words but never speaks? What has 13 hearts but no other organs? Why do cats make good warriors?
Because they got tired.
Pipi. 38. You. 54. Frank. Very good, Frank. Namsu. Excellent. Namsu. 9. 39. Tang. Yut sapat. 69. Wow. Excellent. Yut tang. Thank you. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. What has words but never speaks? What has hands but can't clap? I can be cracked, roasted, and turned into something tasty. What am I? Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bye, teacher Namtan. Sayonara. Matashita ne. Matalay siya. Goodbye, teacher Ming. Jai Chen. See you next week. Enjoy your weekend. Okay, this is the first time that Teacher Maria will be driving my motorcycle. Let's go.
Hindi ko talaga alam.
Go lang. I-try mo lang dyan. Okay, Lord God. You know the drill. Oh, see? Yes. I'm the passenger princess now. Diba? Ikaw na, go lang. Go lang kahit saan ka dumaan. Kung anong gusto mong daanan dyan. Kung gusto mo dun sa Bangkok dumaan, dun ka dumaan. O diba? Pak ganern. Go! Yes! That's it! O diba? Same lang naman sa motor. Yeah! Okay lang yan. Party yan ang buhay ang buhok.
Nakikita yung ano ko ba?
Ay wala eh. Sa TikTok yun ako. Hamis kayo sa TikTok, day. Ang mukha. May break naman yan. Gumagana. Dalawa. Hawakan mo dyan. 1 meter distance tayo. Okay lang yan. Oh, hindi mo ako natutulungan.
Sure, yung itsura ko.
Maganda nga!
Parang ako.
Diba, Day? Saan ka dyan? Ang ganda namin, Day. So, we're going to our friend's apartment. Yes, we're going. We're having a dinner with our friends.
Uy, hindi ko alam yung apartment nila.
Basta straight mo lang, sabihin ko lang sa'yo. Mag-shade ka lang dyan.
Sa'yo lang?
Oo, dito tayo. Doon tayo sa kabila.
Saan?
Doon tayo sa kabila. Pag ganyan tayo pa.
U-turn?
Pag ganyan, oo. Mag-u-turn tayo doon sa school gani. Doon sa harap. Bakit? Alam mo yan. Palagi kang nagmumotor eh.
Kasi,
Basta, mag-signal ka lang.
ikaw na mag-signal.
Oh, go. Ah! Go, hinahinay lang sa center. Oh my God. Wag lang ha, wag lang. Wait lang. Go, 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 go. Thank you ka, Teki. Oh, diba? Naka-survive tayo dito sa daan, Day. Naka-survive. Ay, go! Sumama ka sa kanila! Day! Ay, Diyos ko! Ano ba yan? Tinakot ako doon!
Takot ka?
Oo! Parang malargo na tayo! Madidiretso na ang buhay natin! Laban mo lang dyan. Tapos mag left side tayo. May truck. Yung truck na ng blue na truck. Yung blue na yan. Unahan sa truck na blue. Go, go, go. A little bit. Oh, dito at dito lang yata sa left side. Back dyan. Oh, dito lang. Go. Laban. Straight lang. O, diba? Nairaos din natin ang buhay natin dahil hindi tayo na-discuss na. Go, straight lang. Straight lang. Tapos ang unang magiging corner doon sa ano, mag left side ka dyan. Unang corner. Unang corner dyan, mag left ka. Makikita mo dyan. Yung may light na sigan. Matakot, diretso lang ang buhay natin. May insurance pa naman tayo sa SSO. Tapos yung next na corner, mag right side ka.
Ito na corner?
Doon, oo. Sigasaan mo ang lahat ka nakikita. Ko, tara teacher dyan. Ano i-surprise teacher dyan? I'm going up, 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 parang golden. Hello, teacher Jen! Akong driver! Nairaos nila ng buhay dahil munti ka na kayo madiretso. Hi everyone! Magbabalat kami ng sibuyas. Tapos ahos. Kami ang tagabalat ngayong araw.
Ayoko.
Apple sa siguro.
Or mga dalawang ano na.
Nahina lang taman.
Kasi mambuga na tagkala.
Kasi mahal mo.
Baka tayo na pa. Yung ano.
Magbuga na ta ng kalayuan ng turti mo.
Diba?
Kasi maglaw pa ni Mom.
Ayun yung suka ng ito sa ano.
Marlene, come here na.
Okay lang, na-order ako ng Lazada para sa inyo.
Let's